How to find how many Gmail accounts are linked to a phone number. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open your Gmail application. After opening the application, here's what you need to do next. Now you will see this option here. You will see the profile icon at the top right corner. You need to click on it. As soon as you click on it, scroll down and then click on add another account. Once you click on this, you need to select Google. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now what you need to do next is, you need to click on forgot email. As soon as you click on it, you have to enter your mobile number here. After entering your mobile number, click on next. Here you need to enter your first name, then enter your surname or last name, and after that click on next. As soon as you click next, you will be asked to verify your number. Click on next for that as well. Now as soon as you click next, you will see that all the accounts associated with this number will appear here. They will be displayed here. From here you can also count how many Gmail accounts are linked to your mobile or phone number. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to press the bell icon.